the things I notice when I'm showing homes, also I point out to buyers, is whether the home has cheap or builder grade fixtures. Those little things are important. They give an impression of the quality of the home. And right now, there are some good deals on items you can install. So I'm going to go over some things you can cheaply do to make your home look more expensive. And by the way, our contact information is below if you need help in the real estate department. And if you find this helpful, consider subscribing because we do a new video every week. So first thing to consider is upgrading the bathroom and kitchen fixtures. And most of these items I'm going to point out are from Wayfair. And I am not pushing Wayfair. That's just where I found the biggest discounts. And these are items you can order online with free shipping. So starting with the kitchen, I saw this great pull-down faucet at Wayfair. It's marked down from $400 to $137.45. Also, there's some good deals on cabinet knobs and pulls. These are marked down 33%, $18.14 for a set of 10. How great would they look paired with that pull-down faucet? Total cost less than $175, but they look like they cost a lot more than that. I also saw some good deals on kitchen lighting fixtures. This good-looking flush mount light is $137.74, down from $373.50. So there's a few things that's going to really enhance the appeal of a kitchen. For the bathroom, those waterfall faucets are trendy and not that expensive. This one, again from Wayfair, is just $80. Again, I'm not a rep for Wayfair, so please don't think I'm pushing them. This shower head is another great deal, $74, marked down from $115. New towel holders and fixtures are also inexpensive. And having the same finish on all the fixtures is a good idea. This set is $66, and there's hundreds of bathroom lighting fixtures. I like these for $53, also on sale. So far, the items I picked out, the tab is $566.33. If you are thinking of selling and the fixtures in your kitchen and bath are outdated or builder's grade, then upgrading with some of these items will pay off. And now's a good time to get some good deals. Most of the fixtures I picked are black matte. There's other finishes if you're not a fan of that. I do think that touches of black throughout the house give it a more expensive feel. Another thing to consider is the window treatments. There's some really good deals right now on window treatments and window treatment fixtures. I always tell clients to either have no window treatments or something simple. Those fancy custom drapes with the big valances are expensive and they're really sort of outdated. Custom shutters or those motorized custom window covers are great, but if they aren't in the budget, something like these panels will work very nicely. They are inexpensive with the clean lines that are trendy today. Hang them though just below the ceiling. And then if your appliances are that olive green or gold color, then consider investing in new kitchen appliances. This Samsung set at Lowe's is marked down from $39.26 to $28.60. If that's in your budget and you are considering selling, that would be a good investment. You know, it seems like the markdowns this year are a lot more. Maybe retailers are trying to attract more interest since inflation could put a damper on Christmas buying. But if it's in the budget, now's a good time to do some upgrades. With the housing market shifting away from favoring sellers, it's going to get more competitive. So some upgrades is going to become more important. Okay, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you're having a great holiday. I'm here if you have any questions, and thanks again. I'll see you next week. Bye.